Question number 5a. Arrange vertically and add. Now you have to arrange the sums, boys. First sum 345 plus 127. To write 100 tens units, and then arrange the sum 3 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place, 5 in units place. Then put the plus sign. Again 1 in hundreds place, 2 in tens place, and 7 in units place. Now you always add from units side first. 5 in your mind, 7 on your hand. Start counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You write 2 and carry over 1 in tens place. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is again 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. Next sum 520 plus 227 plus 68. Now first you write 100 tens units, then the first number 520, then the second, then plus sign, second number 227, again a plus sign. Remember boys, when you have three numbers you have to always put two plus signs. 68, 6 in tens place, 8 in units place. Now you add boys, 7 in your mind, 8 on your hand. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1 carry over in tens place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 in your mind and 6 on your hand. You get 11. 1 again carry over in hundreds place. 5 plus 1 6 and 6 plus 2 8. The answer is 8, 1, 5. Okay boys, so this is how you to arrange vertically and add. Now 5b, arrange vertically and subtract. First sum 500 minus 347. You have to write 100 tens units. Write the sum 500 minus 347. Now you cannot subtract 7 from 0. So you have to make this 0 into 10. Since you took 1 from here, from the tens place, you have to make this 0 into 10 and then you have to make it 9. Okay. Now since you took this one from here, hundreds place, 5 becomes 4. Okay boys. Again I repeat this procedure. Then there are two zeros. First 0 becomes 10. Since you are taking 1 from the second 0 here, 10 0. So 10's wala 0 will become 9. Become 10 first, then it becomes 9 because from here 1 you took here. Okay. Now again hundreds place also the 1 becomes less because from here you are taking 1 to make this 10. Okay. So 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5 and 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. So this is how you do the sum. Okay. This is how you do a sum which has two zeros. Okay. The next sum 100 tens units. Write the first number 956 minus 349. Now you cannot subtract 9 from 6. So make it 16. Okay. Since you took 1 from 5, it becomes 4. Cannot? 4, you can subtract 4 minus 4. So, 16 minus 9 will be 7. 4 minus 4 will be 0. And 9 minus 3 will be 6. Okay, boys. So, this is how you solve this sum. Question number 6. Write the biggest possible 3-digit number and the smallest possible 3-digit numbers, and then you subtract. Okay. So, there are 3 digits given here. First, you have to make the biggest number and then you have to make the smallest number. Now, how you make the biggest number, boys? You have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, descending order means big to small. Now, which is the biggest number here? 6. Then 4, then 2. Okay. So, we have arranged the numbers from big to small, therefore, this is the biggest number. Smallest number, you have to arrange the numbers from small to big. So, 2, then comes 4, then comes 6. Okay. So, this is the biggest number and this is the smallest number, and now we have to subtract the sum. Write 100, tens, units. The first number 642 minus 246. Now 2 becomes 12, 4 becomes 3, 6 becomes 5 and 3 becomes 13. 12 minus 6 is 6. 13 minus 4 is 9 and 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. So, this is how you solve the sum. Question number 7. Solve the following word problems. If 375 boys and 286 girls took part in a dance competition, how many children took part altogether? First statement will be number of boys, that took part. Competition is 375. Number of girls, that took part, in the dance competition, to 86. Okay. So, the third statement is total number of children that took part in the dance competition altogether. Okay. Altogether. Okay. Total number of children that took part altogether. Is how much? Or you can write the other way also, boys. Altogether number of children that took part is equal to how much. Okay, any format. Then you solve the sum. 100, tens, units. Okay, write the first number 375 plus 286. Okay, 5 plus 6 is 11, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So, the answer is 661. So, the answer statement will be 661 children took part in the dance competition all together. Okay, boys, you can write competition short form, that's okay. This is the format how you solve the word problem for addition. Always remember, altogether or total means addition sums. Altogether, total or in all means it's a addition sum. Okay, boys. The next question. A fruit seller is having 186 apples and 275 oranges. How many more oranges are there than the apples? Okay. The first statement, number of apples the fruit seller has, is 186. Number of oranges the fruit seller has is 275. Okay. Now, how many more oranges are there than the apples? Okay. Now, number of more oranges than the apples. Is equal to how much? Now, when you have more than or you have left, how many left? That means you have to do a subtraction sum. Now, how you subtract, boys? For subtraction, always the bigger number comes first and then the smaller number. Always remember, for subtraction sum, the bigger number comes first and then the smaller number. Okay. So, we solve the sum. H T U. Okay, then you write 275 minus 186. Okay. Make 5 into 15. Okay, 7 becomes 6 and 2 becomes 1, because you cannot subtract 8 from 6. Okay, so it becomes 16. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 16 minus 8 is 8. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer statement will be, there are 89 more oranges are there than the apples. Or you can also write, there are 89 more oranges than apples. Okay, you can write in any of the two formats. So this is how you do a subtraction sum, boys. Okay, always remember, in a word problem, if there are more than or left, okay, it is a subtraction problem.